Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. Hi everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. How do you tell someone an action happened in the past or that you finish a task right now? In Vietnamese, we don't change the verb, but we rely on three powerful little words. Đã, rồi, and xong. These three words often get mixed up, but they each have a specific function related to time and completion. Mastering them is essential for clear communication about the past and the present. Let's start using them correctly. Let's watch a conversation between two friends, Minh and An, after a busy morning.
Cậu đã ăn sáng chưa?
Tớ đói quá.
Tớ ăn rồi. Cậu đã hoàn thành báo cáo chưa?
Xong rồi. Tớ vừa gửi cho sếp xong đây. Bây giờ chỉ cần xong việc này nữa là xong.
Notice how đã set the tense, while rồi and xong mark completion. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently choose the right word. Đã to mark the past, rồi to confirm completion, and xong to describe the state of being finished. This will instantly make your Vietnamese more accurate when discussing events and tasks. Let's break down the functions of the words. Think of them as time markers and status indicators. Grammar point 1. Đã, the past tense marker. Đã is a tense marker. It is placed before the verb to indicate that the action happened in the past, similar to the simple past tense in English. It is frequently used in formal or literary Vietnamese, but less often in casual Northern speech, where context often implies the past, marks an action that occurs in the past. The structure is subject plus đã plus verb or predicate. Example 1. Tôi đã đi du lịch Đà Lạt năm ngoái. I traveled to Đà Lạt last year. Example 2. Questioning past action often with chưa. Bạn đã đọc cuốn sách đó chưa? Have you read that book yet? Grammar point 2. Rồi, the completion marker. Already. Rồi is a particle placed at the end of a clause to confirm an action is completed or that a change of state has occurred. It translates as already or finished, confirms completion or change the state. Structures is clause plus rồi, often used with đã in questions. For example, tôi làm bài tập rồi. I have done my homework already. Second example, trời tối rồi is dark now or already. The state has changed. Grammar point 3, xong, the state of being finished, done. Xong is a verb or adjective meaning finishes or completed. It describes the status of the task or action itself, indicate the status of a task as completed. The structures is verb plus xong or subject plus xong, rồi. For example, bài tập của tôi xong rồi. My homework is finished. Second example, tôi ăn xong rồi. I finished eating. Or the third example, tôi xong việc rồi. I'm done with work. Okay, let's see what you have learned today. Time for a little practice. Activity 1. Choose the right word. Choose the bad word in đã, rồi or xong to fill the blank. Anh ấy từng sống ở đây 10 năm trước. Công việc này cần phải trước buổi chiều. Chúng tôi đã xem hết bộ phim. 4. Mọi thứ đã. Bây giờ chúng ta có thể đi được. Okay, let's move on activity 2. How would you say this in Northern Vietnamese? 1. The concert has already ended. 2. I finished writing the letter. 3. Did you read the article? Great job, everyone. You can now place your action in the past. So let's recap. Đã before the verb mark the past tense. Rồi and a close confirms completion or change of state. Xong, before or after verb, end of clause indicate the status of a task as finished, done. Practice this with your friends or teacher today and you sound incredibly nature in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Vietlingo. We love to have you in our community. Thank you for watching. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.